Amazing Swamp Boat Tour. New Orleans is located on the largest river in North America, the Grand Mississippi River, and the city is surrounded by swamps on many sides. So when visiting New Orleans, a swamp boat tour is a must to truly appreciate the uniqueness of the area. You won't believe your eyes. Check out what we saw on our swamp boat tour.
I'm gonna see if I can get them to actually jump out here. And then I'll get them on the other side of the boat.
This is great.
Everybody got a picture of them?
Video.
We got a good picture there, right?
Yeah, it's a video.
Come out here where everybody can see you. Come on, pig.
Here come.
Yeah. So I'm gonna let us brush up against these trees and I'll see if I can get them right. Recognize, that's crispy bacon. That's crispy, huh? You wanna get some treats? Y'all see her teeth? Call those tough. That is what they use to help root underneath these trees. So what they're doing that for? Well, there's another pig back in here coming. So, come here, pig. Here. You drinking some water? There's another one back here. So I believe that's gonna be Kevin bacon. Come here, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. It might not be Kevin. Good picture of these pigs.